Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Tutorial Tuesday. Hey guys, Jim has been hunting all weekend long. It's the 4th of July weekend and today is the 5th of July. I just got back from, actually just woke up from napping, from hunting wee hours in the morning, and I think I got home about 10 a.m. and it's about 3:15 now, and Jim realizes he hasn't got any video ready for Tuesday's Tutorial Tuesday. So guys, here's the deal. I'm honest with you guys. It's hunting season, right? So when the depositors are out there, Jim needs to be out hunting, and so I apologize that I don't have a Tutorial Tuesday ready for you today. But what we are going to do is we are going to select the winner of last week's Would You Dig It? And I have another Would You Dig It contest for a $25 Amazon gift card. So guys, please keep sending me your questions. Many of you sent so many. I have a lot, but I will tell you, some of them are fantastic and will have their own tutorials. Because you guys are what I create these videos for. So if you have any question on what to do, and you can have any metal detector. I'm not familiar with every name brand, and don't ask me technical questions on anything but the Knox right now, okay? You can ask me about the Sovereign. I know a lot about the Sovereign GT, and I know a lot about the Equinox 800, because those are the machines that I use, right? But I can help most everyone understand the basics of their machines, okay? So if you're stuck with something, feel free, send me an email. You can find that in the About Me section of my channel page, or comment on any single video with your question, guys, and I will put it in my Tutorial Tuesday. So guys, let's select the winner of last week's Would You Dig It? Okay guys, I have one for you right here. My little test hole in my test garden. I got the 6-inch coil on. My Knox is in Park 1, okay? Would you dig that? Let's go 90 degrees. Would you dig it? I know I'd dig it, but if you would dig it, comment below. Let me know what you think it is, and you'll have a chance to win a $50 Amazon gift card that we will be selecting in next week's Tutorial Tuesday, and that would be on July 6th, guys. July 6th Tutorial Tuesday for a $50 Amazon gift card. One more time. I'll go 90 degrees again. Okay, let's dig this thing right on up. It's a foil juice top. All right, guys. Okay, guys, it's time to select the winner of last week's Would You Dig It? I'm going to go to my TubeBuddy app. I'm going to select Pick a Winner. Comment must contain the words foil. Cindy Lee B. Sins. I would dig it, but my personal experience places it as a drink circle. The round foil tabs pulled off of drinks. Sigh. That is exactly what it is, Cindy. So congratulations. Send me an email. You can find that in the About Me section of my channel page, and I will send you out your $50 Amazon gift card. Congratulations, Cindy. Send me an email and I will send you out your $50 Amazon gift card. And guys, don't get discouraged. I have another Would You Dig It contest giveaway coming up right now for a $25 Amazon gift card. So let's check this one out. Okay guys, I got one for you right here in my test garden. Right there. I'm in Park 1. I think you guys can see that. Maybe turn that on. Park 1. Okay. And let's go to all metal. I'm in all metal mode. All right, I'm gonna go 90 degrees. Would you dig it? If you would dig it, comment below of what you think it is, and you'll have an opportunity to win a $25 Amazon gift card that we will select in next week's Tutorial Tuesday. So one more time, guys. All right. All right, let's dig this one up. Would you dig it? I dug it. Would you dig it? If you would dig it, comment below on what you think it is, and you will have an opportunity to win a $25 Amazon gift card that we will select in next week's Tutorial Tuesday. And guys, please keep sending me your questions. Meanwhile, I'm going to get busy on video editing. I'm going to get you a video out for Thursday. I'm going to get you a video out for Saturday. And I will have a Tutorial Tuesday ready for you next Tuesday. Okay, guys? So I apologize this week, but I want to make sure all of you guys had a great Independence Day. It was a banner weekend for Jim. He had a blast out metal detecting. And for all those metal detectorists that I came across today, or I saw today, which is July 5th, which was a whole lot of them, I hope you guys did as well, or if not, even better than me. Seriously, from the bottom of my heart, I want every detectorist to do well, either just as good as me or even better, really. So guys, if you like my videos, please click like. If you'd like to see more, consider subscribing, ringing this bell, and receive all the notifications every time I release a new video. And please take a look at either one of these videos.